Hey, what's up, guys? You're watching Tdevelops, the channel that helps you to know more about tech. In this video, I'll be reviewing the A6S mini wireless earbuds. Well, without further ado, let's get into the video. The box contains a manual, some ear tips of different sizes, and a charging cable. Sadly, it's not USB Type-C, but for the price, which is around $10 or 3,500 naira if you're in Nigeria, you don't really expect to get USB Type-C from this. And as for the headset itself, it is small and very comfortable in one's ear, and I think it looks very much similar to the Xiaomi AirDots. Or what do you think? Comment down below your thoughts. Here are the specs. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, stereo speakers, and a case that charges the headset. So the earbuds or headset, whatever you call it, is pretty good for its price because it even does more than what is written on the package. Because on the package it says call time is around 3 hours, but I don't know how true that is because I don't think it's possible to be making phone calls for around 3 hours straight. And music time is 2.5 hours, but for me it actually doubles that. Sorry for the background noise. It actually doubles that. It lasted for around 5 hours or 6 hours at most. You know, normal headsets or Bluetooth headsets, they use Bluetooth 2.0 or 4.0. Their transmission distance is around 10 meters, but for this one it's around 15 to 20 meters. I tested it with a tape rule and I got around 18 or 19 to 20 meters, which is what is written on the box, which is very accurate. Standby time is around 80 hours, which is very accurate to what is written on the box. The charging time by your power outlet is around 1 hour, while the charging time with the box is 1 minute will give you around 5 minutes of listening to music, but overall it's 1 hour 30 minutes to fully charge the headsets. All round, you cannot go wrong if you buy this headset. I mean, the only problem I have with it is that the bass is not that good, but you can change it in the equalizer. If you are using home play, you see the equalizer at the top right hand corner of whatever music you are listening to, and that's what I do also because I like that. And you see it's very sleek because I didn't show that before. It's very sleek. It's in my ear. It connects very fast to your smartphone. For copyright reasons, I won't test the audio because it's connected already now, so I won't try that because of copyright reasons. And I didn't upload last week because I was not feeling fine. I just finished taking my pills this morning. um yeah, and that's it for the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.